In today's video, let's take a look at the way that you send messages on Signal. If you're new to using Signal and trying to contact someone through the app of Signal, let me show you how it is done. Once you're inside of the app, you see a blank screen where you have no chat started off. In order to start chatting with someone, you need to tap on this pencil icon on the bottom right, and it is going to show you all of the people that are inside of Signal or have an account of Signal and that are in your contacts. So through this list, you'll be able to see all of the people from your contact list that actually have Signal installed. Also, what you can do is, if you know a particular username or the name of a person that is not on your contact list, you can search them up by typing the username of their phone number on the search bar. Once you do, you just want to pick the person that you're trying to chat with. Once you're inside of a particular chat, the way that you can start messaging is type in a message as you normally do. Apart from text messages, you can take pictures, send voice messages, and emojis as well. If you tap on this plus icon on the right hand side, you'll be able to send in other options such as files, contacts, or even your location. So if you want to send your location, you'll need to tap on allow access, and then you can send over your location as well. So that's all there is in sending a message inside of Signal. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe for more future videos just like this.